Today we're going to use disk management on a virtual machine, and we're going to create a new hard drive, add a new hard drive, and partition the disks. So I have virtual machine open. Just the virtual PC open, but I don't have the machine open yet. So we're going to go up here to Settings. Underneath the VM tab, we go to Settings, and we're going to say Add. We want to add a hard disk, so we'll make sure that's highlighted, and we'll say Next. We want to create a new virtual disk. And we're going to go ahead and choose SCSI because that's what's recommended. And this is going to be a 60 gigabyte hard drive. And we have choices if we can allocate all disk space now, or we can store virtual disk as a single file, or we can split virtual disks into multiple files. And that's what we're going to do. Is splitting the disk makes it easier to move the virtual machine to another computer, but may reduce performance for very large disks. So we're going to stick with that. We're just doing everything by default pretty much. And the virtual disk file will store the configuration details of the physical disk. So it's fine. We'll say Finish. OK. So now we're going to power on this virtual machine. So alright, it's almost up and running. Okay, so now we're going to go into disk management. So we click on the Start, we right click on my computer, and we go Manage. Over in the left hand side, we will go down to Disk Management. Okay, and this tells me that I must initialize the disk before the logical disk manager can access it. And so we're going to say OK. Then we're going to right click, and we're going to go New Simple Volume. We're going to say Next. We want this simple volume to be, it's not going to let me do that. We're going to reduce the size of this simple volume so that we can make two partitions. And since it won't actually let me type in there, maybe it will. There we go. Okay. So we're going to decide it's going to be drive letter E, and we're going to say Next. we wanted to do an NTFS file system and a quick format. So then we're going to say finish. So it's formatting this. This is the volume I just created, a 48 gigabyte. And over here is the other volume that's unallocated. And we're going to right click on that and we're going to go new simple volume. Next. We're going to leave it the size it is. Next. We're going to have drive letter E. I think we can do that. We're actually going to go drive letter G. We're going to go next, and we're going to choose here to go FAT32. And then go next, and we're going to go finish. So there we have a new volume E, and then that is NTFS format, and a new volume G that is FAT32 format. And they're ready to roll. I could save stuff on there or whatever I want to do. So let's go out of here. Sure. Okay. So if I go into all programs and accessories, Windows Explorer, let's cancel. Oh, sorry, clicked the wrong thing. So now see I have my new volume E and my new volume G, and this one is the NTFS. We go to properties, and there it is. And if I go to properties on my G drive, there it is. So there I have my two new volumes. This one is FAT32. This is NTFS. And then if I go to the snippet tool and say new, and that shows my two new drives. I didn't get all that one. And then we can save that. Okay. So that is this video, and hopefully you learned from that. See.